Now this year 25% of the syllabus has been reduced. तो इस साल भी 25% हर सब्जेक्ट में reduce किया गया है इस एग्ज़ाम 10th के बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम के लिए. और सिलेबस जो reduce किया है वो it is similar like last year. लास्ट ईयर जितना reduce किया था उतना ही इस साल भी same portion is reduced this year also. So we will talk about the reduced syllabus of Science 1. Science 1 का lesson number 1 on page number 1. Use ICT, that is this part is cancelled, the one which is given in yellow color. Rest of the part is there. बाकी के सब part है, सिर्फ ये use ICT जो page number 1 में दिया है it is not there. Now page number 2, page number 2 में ये न्यूटन इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ साइंटिस्ट न्यूटन के बारे में जो है वो reduce किया गया है. और ये एंटायर पार्ट, ये पूरा पेज पूरा का पूरा reduced है. सो नथिंग यू हैव टू स्टडी ऑन पेज नंबर 2. पेज नंबर 2 का सब पूरा पेज ओमिट किया गया है. और पेज नंबर 3 में कुछ भी ओमिटेड नहीं है, सब कुछ है. डायरेक्टली यू कम ऑन पेज नंबर 4. पेज नंबर 4 में इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ साइंटिस्ट ये reduce किया गया है, ओनली दैट मच. तो इस पेज में पेज नंबर 4 में सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ साइंटिस्ट जो दिया है ग्रीन कॉलम में दैट हैज़ बीन reduced. नाउ पेज नंबर 5, इन पेज नंबर 5 दिस फुल थिंग, व्हाई डिड द न्यूटन अज्यूम फ्रॉम ईयर टिल सन तक, ये पूरा पेज सन तक ओमिट किया गया है. So from the starting, that is why did Newton assume inverse square dependence on distance, यहाँ से लेके नीचे तक sun तक it is omitted. So all this part is omitted. Not till only till here, only till sun तक ही omitted है. नीचे के 3 lines it is there for the syllabus. So this full page, page number 5 में why did Newton assume inverse से लेके नीचे बिटवीन द प्लानट एंड द सन यहाँ तक ओमिटेड है. फिर यूज़ योर ब्रेन पावर दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओमिटेड ऑन पेज नंबर 5. तो पेज नंबर 5 रिपीट वंस मोर, व्हाई डिड न्यूटन से लेके नीचे बिटवीन द प्लानट एंड द सन तक ओमिटेड है. फिर यूज़ योर ब्रेन पावर, वो भी ओमिटेड है ना. पेज नंबर 6, इन पेज नंबर 6 use your brain power, this is omitted. And do you know that full thing is omitted? Do you know that full thing is omitted on page number 6? So page number 6, use your brain power, and do you know that is fully omitted. Next on page number 7, in page number 7 whatever is given in the pink box, that is the first 3 lines that is omitted. तो पहला 3 line omitted है, rest of the part is there in this page. Next पेज नंबर 8 में कुछ भी ओमिटेड नहीं है, सब कुछ है, सब पढ़ना है. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 9 में मास एंड वेट इज़ ओमिटेड. फ्रॉम मास से लेके ऑब्जेक्ट तक ओमिटेड है. सो टिल ईयर इट इज़ ओमिटेड. रेस्ट ऑल इज़ देयर. नेक्स्ट ग्रीन कलर दैट इज़ ओमिटेड. Whatever is given in the green column that is below, colloquially से लेके 2 masses, this is also omitted. Then on page number 10, on the top whatever is there, it is there for the syllabus. What is given in the pink box below, that is fully omitted. तो pink box में do you know जो दिया है वो पूरा का पूरा omitted है page number 10 में. So on page number 10, do you know that full thing is omitted. Next on page number 11, on page number 11 also, do you know what is given on the bottom, do you know given in the pink box में जो भी दिया है वो पूरा का पूरा omitted है. Then page number 12 में सब कुछ है, पेज नंबर 13 में भी सब कुछ है. डायरेक्टली ऑन पेज नंबर 14 में डू यू नो दिस पार्ट एंड ऑफ द लेसन में जो दिया है डू यू नो दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड. नाउ लेसन नंबर 2 पेज नंबर 16 everything. Can you recall this is not there. for the syllabus. Then on page number 16, the table is given over here. The second one and the third one is not there. First वाला table है पूरा का पूरा, खाली second और third नहीं है, पहला वाला पढ़ना है. फिर next page number 17. Page number 17 में do you know, that is fully omitted. Do you know is fully omitted, and this table which is given in this table is also not there. So this full table is not there. Then page number 18. On page number 18, everything is there except the last one, that is introduction to scientists, that is omitted completely. So this part is not there in page number 18. Page number 19. In page number 19, only the last one, use your brain power, that is not there. Then page number 20. In page number 20, nothing is omitted, everything is there. Then on page number 21, this yellow box is not there, that is completely omitted. Then on page number 22, can you tell the first, second, third and fourth question, all these questions are omitted. Then do you know, this is also completely omitted. This yellow box is there, but the pink box is not there on page number 22. On page number 23, can you tell? On page number 23, can you tell? That is this first, second and third question. All the three questions are omitted. Next, page number 24. Page number 24, can you recall? That is completely omitted. That is question number 1, 2 and 3. Rest all it is there. Then page number 25, nothing is omitted. Page number 24, also nothing is omitted. Then page number 25, the last one, not page number 25, page number 27. I'll repeat once more. Page number 24, only this part is omitted. Then page number 25, nothing is omitted, everything is there. Page number 26, everything is there, nothing is omitted. Then page number 27, the last part, that is internet, my friend, that is completely omitted. Then below that green box, read the following reference books from the library, that is also omitted. And on page number 28, do you know, that is completely omitted. Now in lesson number 3, omitted portion, can you recall? Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Till here it is omitted. And this full page is omitted. Till the table, everything is omitted. That is from starting, can you recall से लेके नीचे जो table है येलो वाले में, यहाँ तक येलो वाला table जो है वो fully omitted है. I'll repeat once more. Lesson number 3, page number 30, from the starting can you recall से लेके पूरा table तक omitted है. Then next page, on page number 31, only find out, that is omitted, that is only this much. These two lines are omitted. Find out में सिर्फ ये दो line omitted है. Next page number 32, page number 32, everything is there. Page number 33, try this from the apparatus, from try this till weight, change in the weight, यहाँ तक omitted है. Till here it is omitted. So apparatus से लेके नीचे weight तक omitted है. फिर do you know is omitted, that is this part is omitted, and find out, that is also omitted. Next page number 34. In page number 34, nothing is omitted. Page number 35, use your brain power. There is question number 1 में A, B, that is omitted. Question number 2 is omitted. Question number 3 is omitted till here, till the reaction 2Ag plus 2HCl gives 2AgCl plus H2. So till here it is omitted. Then page number 36. On page number 36, use your brain power, that is omitted. That is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, that is omitted. Then try this from the apparatus till the activity, from apparatus till activity it is omitted. So try this में apparatus से लेके activity तक omitted है, rest all it is there. Then on page number 37, can you recall, can you recall, that is this 2 lines is omitted, rest all it is there. Then page number 38, on page number 38 nothing is omitted, everything is there. Page number 39, from the starting, try this, from the starting till exothermic process it is omitted. तो starting से लेके apparatus से लेके exothermic process तक omitted है. फिर can you tell, एकदम end में दिया can you tell, from here starting से लेके number 0.6 तक omitted है, that is this full thing is omitted. Now page number 40 nothing is omitted, on page number 40 nothing is omitted, everything is there. Page number 41, do you know, do you know is completely omitted, that is a pink box is completely omitted. Then page number 42, on page number 42 this pink box do you know completely omitted. Then use your brain power, question number 1, question number 2 is omitted. Then 43, page number 43, the first 2 lines, look at the chemical, that is can you tell, look at the chemical equation से लेके vegetable oil, that is omitted. Then in the end the pink box, do you know, that is also completely omitted, full pink box is omitted. Then on page number 44 nothing is omitted. Page number 44 the last 2 lines is omitted. This one, how are the blackened silver, that is find out, that is completely omitted. So only these 2 lines are omitted. Then nothing is omitted in this. Now before I start lesson number 4, in lesson number 3 this project part is also omitted. Now lesson number 4, in lesson number 4 from starting till which effects of electric current do you find, this from the starting till here it is omitted. Then next page, page number 48, in page number 48 think about it, only that is omitted. Then in page number 49 always remember, that is completely omitted. Find out, that is also completely omitted. Then page number 50, do you know, this is given over here, that is also completely omitted. Then solved example, first example and the second example is omitted, but example 3, that is in page number 51, example 3 and example 4, that is not omitted, it is there. So in page number 51 nothing is omitted, everything is there. Only in page number 50 this pink box and example 1 and example 2 is completely omitted. Now on page number 52, what is given in the yellow box, it is omitted. Then always remember, that is also omitted. Then on page number 53 nothing is omitted. Page number 54, here also nothing is omitted. Page number 55 nothing is omitted, everything is there. Page number 56, here also nothing is omitted, everything is there. On page number 57 galvanometer fully it is omitted, and this part, that is this full thing is omitted, and this is also omitted. From complete the circuit till the gets deflected, till there it is omitted, rest all it is there. Page number 58, the last part, that is Michael Faraday introduction to scientists, that is omitted. On page number 59, from the starting, that is so far we have learned, from there till electricity it is completely omitted. So till here it is completely omitted. I'll repeat once more, in page number 59 from the starting, that is AC current and DC current, till electricity, that is we have learned in the previous class about the precaution to be taken while using the electricity, till here it is completely omitted, rest all it is there. Then page number 60, what will be required to make DC generator? what will be required to make DC generator, that is completely omitted, but the last two lines are there. Use your brain power, draw the diagram of DC generator, then explain how the DC current is obtained, that is there. Because there is one question based on DC generators, hence these two lines you have to do. Only the what will be required to make DC generator till the DC generator, that is why is this generator called DC generator, till there it is omitted. Now lesson number 5, that is heat, on page number 62. Try this, it is completely omitted, that this part is completely omitted. Next on page number 63, nothing is omitted, everything is there in page number 63. In page number 64, nothing is omitted, everything is there, you have to study everything. Page number 65, also nothing is omitted, everything is there. Page number 66, nothing is omitted, everything is there, you have to study everything. Page number 67, the last part, that is introduction to scientist, that is completely omitted. Then on page number 68, nothing is omitted. On page number 69, only this part, that is ICT question part, green box, is completely omitted. In page number 70, example 3 is omitted, that is this part is omitted till here. Example 3 is continued over here also, that part is omitted. तो इस लेसन में ज़्यादा कुछ ओमिट नहीं किया, बहुत कम ओमिट किया है. Now in lesson number 6, not much is omitted, most of the thing is there. So on page number 73, nothing is omitted. On page number 74, also nothing is omitted. On page number 75, nothing is omitted. On page number 76, twinkling of stars from the starting till the moving, appears to be moving, till here it is omitted. So twinkling star is fully omitted. Next on page number 77, use your brain power, that is fully omitted. That is question number 1 and question number 2. On page number 78, nothing is omitted. On page number 79, also nothing is omitted. Then next lesson number 7, page number 80, nothing is omitted. Page number 81, also nothing is omitted. Page number 82, try this is completely omitted till the end, till your observation. Note your observation from the starting, from the materials, try this starting se leke, note your observation till there it is omitted. Then on page number 83, nothing is omitted. Page number 84, nothing is omitted. On page number 85, also nothing is omitted. On page number 86, nothing is omitted. On page number 87, last part in the pink box, do you know, that is completely omitted. Then on page number 88, nothing is omitted. Page number 89, nothing is omitted. Page number 90, telescope is completely omitted. Page number 90, telescope is omitted, that is C, telescope is omitted. And the next part of the telescope is also omitted, continuation of telescope till here. You have to study from optical instrument. तो पेज नंबर 90 में टेलीस्कोप का पूरा जो नेक्स्ट पेज में कंटिन्यूड है, मैग्निफिकेशन कैन बी ऑब्टेन, यहाँ तक ओमिटेड है. नाउ लेसन नंबर 8, पेज नंबर 93, think about it, only these two lines is omitted. Then physical properties of metals is completely omitted, and physical properties of non-metal, that is also completely omitted. I'll repeat, on page number 93, think about it, these two lines are omitted, and physical properties of metals is omitted, and physical properties of non-metal is completely omitted. Now page number 94, try this apparatus pair in the chemicals. samples of aluminum you have to take, but copper you cancel it. Iron is there, lead you cancel, magnesium, zinc is there, sodium is cancel. तो कॉपर, लेड और सोडियम के बारे में नहीं पढ़ना है, बाकी सब मेटल्स के बारे में पढ़ना है. सो एल्यूमिनियम, आयरन, मैग्नीशियम, जिंक पढ़ना है, बाकी कॉपर, सोडियम और लेड ओमिटेड है. नेक्स्ट, do you know, this is also completely omitted. So in this page number 94, do you know omitted है, और chemicals में copper, sodium और lead नहीं पढ़ना है. Page number 95, the first line sodium and potassium से लेके reaction तक it is completely omitted. Next on page number 96, try this, that is completely omitted till here. Till here, what is a type of reaction? What is a type of reaction? Till there it is completely omitted. So from the starting, from the apparatus, try this till what type of reaction it is, that is completely omitted. On page number 97, nothing is omitted. On page number 98, nothing is omitted, everything is there. Page number 99, nothing is omitted. Page number 100 and 101, both page number 100 nothing is omitted. Page number 101, internet my friend, that is completely omitted. Then on page number 102, do you know, that is completely omitted. Then page number 103, nothing is omitted. Page number 104, nothing is omitted. 105, collect information, that is completely omitted. So collect information is omitted. Then page number 106, nothing is omitted. Page number 107 also nothing is omitted. Page number 108, do you know, that is completely omitted, and collect information, that is also omitted. Now lesson number 8, I missed this page. On page number 105, this diagram is completely omitted, so you don't have to study this diagram on page number 105. Now lesson number 9, carbon compounds. On page number 110, on the top, can you recall, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 is omitted. Then at the bottom, can you tell, question number 1, question number 2, question number 1, 2 and 3, that is completely omitted. So can you tell is completely omitted. Then 111, nothing is omitted. On page number 112, pink box, do you know, that is completely omitted. Then page number 113, 114, 115, nothing is omitted. On page number 116, on the top, green box is given, that is completely omitted. Then page number 117, 117, 118, 119, 120, 21, nothing is omitted. Directly 22 and 23 also nothing is omitted. In page number 124 and 125 also nothing is omitted. 126 also nothing is omitted. Directly on page number 127, do you know, which is given in pink box, that is completely omitted. तो 116 में omit करने के बाद 116 पेज नंबर का omit करने के बाद डायरेक्टली 127 का पेज में पिंक बॉक्स डू यू नो ओमिटेड. इसमें 117 से लेके 126 तक कुछ भी ओमिटेड नहीं है. Now on page number 128, the one which is given in green box, alcohol or fuel, that is completely omitted. Then on page number 129 and 130, nothing is omitted. On page number 131, macromolecules, that is can you tell from here, question number 1, and macromolecules, everything is omitted. मतलब can you tell, macromolecules and polymers heading जो है वो पूरा का पूरा नीचे तक omitted है. Next page भी completely omitted है. Page number 132, the full page is omitted, and page number 133, This page is also omitted, but the question answers are there. Only till here it is omitted, means the end of the lesson, till the end of the lesson it is omitted. So page number 131 से macromolecules and polymers से लेके यहाँ तक पेज नंबर 133 तक एंड ऑफ द लेसन तक सब कुछ omitted है. Now lesson number 10 on page number 135. Do you know? Can you recall? Can you tell? All this is completely omitted. So from the pink box till here it is completely omitted. Then on page number 136, use of ICT, that is omitted. Page number 137, nothing is omitted. Page number 138 also nothing is omitted. On page number 139, example 1 and example 2 is completely omitted. Page number 140, nothing is omitted. On page number 141, do you know, in the pink box is completely omitted. Then on page number 142, the one which is given in green box about Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, it is completely omitted. And the last page of this lesson, that is 143, about Vikram Sarabhai, which is given in the green box, that is also completely omitted.